Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 403 forbidden error on your Safari browser in your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to reach out any website on your iPhone in your Safari browser but you are facing this error again and again and you are unable to open the said website, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to make it sure that you are entering or using a correct URL in the search bar. So as check your URL on your Safari browser, and after this go back, and from here you have to drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So if your internet connection is working properly but still you are facing this problem, then go to settings, and from here you have to scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device, and after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So guys, reset your network settings in your iPhone, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go back and from here scroll it below and find your Safari browser. Here it is, just tap on this and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you have simply tap on clear history and website data. So I simply tap on this and clear the history for last 1 hour in your Safari browser. So guys, clear the history, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.